Here's how to remove someone from a group chat on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can only remove someone from an iMessage group chat. This will not work for SMS or MMS groups, and you must have at least 3 people in the chat. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap the group conversation you want to manage. Tap the group icons or contact name at the top of the screen, then tap Info. Scroll down to see the list of members. Tap the person you want to remove. Tap Remove from Group. Confirm when prompted. That person is now removed. If the option is missing, the chat is likely SMS, MMS, has fewer than 3 people, or includes Android users. In that case, you cannot remove members. If you can't remove someone, tap Hide Alerts to mute notifications from the group chat. Only iMessage group chats allow adding or removing people. Green bubbles mean SMS, blue bubbles mean iMessage. And that's it. That's how you remove someone from a group chat on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.